CNN Karim Khan, prosecutor of the International Criminal Court, said that his office has received a referral from 5 countries to investigate whether crimes were committed on Palestinian territory as a part of Israel's response to Hamas terrorist attacks on October 7. Khan said that South Africa, Bangladesh, Bolivia, Comoros and Djibouti sent referrals. In accordance with Roman regulation of International Criminal Court, party may apply to one side, prosecutor, as or more crimes within court's jurisdiction of court's jurisdiction, as prosecutor demands that prosecutors research for this purpose.to determine whether it will be accused of. The minister said that his office has been conducting an investigation into the Palestinian regions of the Palestinian regions on possible crimes committed in Gaza and West Bank since June 2014. Khan continues and extends to the increase in hostility and violence since the attacks on October 7, 2023. Khan said, both Hamas Israel are accused of war crimes as a burden of death from conflicts. He said he plans to target his commander's infrastructure, that the militant group was after the terrorist attacks on October 7, who saw 1,200 people die in Israel took hostage 240. Israel's siege of Gaza contained total food, water and electrical blockade, except for exceptions that the United Nations calls drip of humanitarian aid. He accepted UN report last month. Hamas attack after the war crimes gathered. Raporda. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu'nun Gaza'nun full siege after ordering Israel's criminal offense of the collective penalty war said, participating in the evaluation. At beginning of this month, UN High Commissioner for Human Rights Volker Türk called October 7 attacks as cruelty and said that hostage was held by war crimes. However, Israel's collective punishment of Palestinian civilians is up to a war crime, such as the illegal forcibly evacuation of civilians. The South African government called for a ceasefire between Israel and Hamas. The Moon blamed the South African International Relations Cooperation Department Israel's war crimes, said, continuous ing of civilian targets, denying water, food, fuel. Electric population is banned internationally. San human law Geneva contracts. On the day of the Sunday NBC News, we do everything we can intentionally to target terrorists and civilians as in every legitimate war sometimes guarantee it is called damage. Israel is not a member of ICC and rejects the court's jurisdiction. He was pleased that he had been committed in West Bank. However, no arrest was made and Bensouda left the office in 2021. Khan said that the actions committed by Hamas on October 7 were serious violations of international law if it was proven. Israel has clear obligations about the war with Hamas, not only moral obligations, but legal obligations. The Geneva contract exists. There is black and white.